more shot at forgiveness. I know you know that I made those mistakes maybe once or twice. By once or twice, I mean maybe a couple of hundred times. So let me redeem myself tonight. 'Cause I just need one more shot at second chances. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now?
Did someone just say day 5? What up, what up, what up, what up, amazing creatives? Welcome back to my channel. And this is day 5 of me vlogging. So welcome. In case you see my face for the first time, my name is Vivian Okeke. I'm a fashion designer based in Abuja, Nigeria. And this is my vlog. So, okay, you guys, I just wanted to update you on what I've been using my weekend for. Today is Saturday and I just made a corset which I'll be uploading soon, and this is the corset. So in case this vlog goes up before the video of the corset, now you know a corset is coming to you. But in case the corset comes before this video and you've not seen it, now that you're seeing this vlog, just go click on the link. I'll be putting the link on this description box, the description box of this video. So you just go click and then you watch how to make a corset. This is beginner friendly corset. You guys trust me, this is really beginner friendly. Like the measurements, everything you need, the sewing, everything is going to be included on making this corset. So just go click on the video. What are you waiting for? I'm so hungry, I want to go eat. This is 11 p.m. I've been doing this since 7:38-ish. And now I am done. I just wanted to update you guys on my vlog, what has been happening.
Shot.
I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to hurt, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain, now the day bleeds.
Baby, seem like everywhere I go, I see you. Forgiveness.
Hi guys, so you guys are going to go with me. I want to go get some thread for the fabrics I got. I forgot to get threads that match, and also zip. And I don't have to go all the way to the market. I just have to go to a close by store in Kado. It's not that close. My sister has to drop me or I take an Uber. It's not that close, but then it's closer than the market, the Gariki Modern Market. So you guys are going to come along with me. This is in case I didn't say that or I haven't started the intro to this, this is day 5. That's the 5th vlog I am uploading on the channel. Yeah, the 5th vlog. So let's go.
You know that
Update, you guys. I'm about to make the third outfit for my series, and the third outfit is going to be a boot cut. I have already did the cutting. I did that yesterday. I was supposed to continue sewing, but NEPA, they will only show themselves. So now I have the time, and I'm about to make it. Okay, so this is the fabric. See, I have the front and the back piece. This is already cut. Oh yeah, there. So this, as you can see, this is one of the pieces, and then these are the rests. I'm about to start sewing. I just wanted to give you guys, see, I have my lights set up. In case you don't know, this is how I set up my lights for all the sewing tutorials I have made. Not all, I think from April this year. That is when I started using this stuff like this. Yeah, April this year. So I just wanted to update you guys and then start filming. I'm ready to create this content, so let's do that.
Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Ring my phone again. It's you. It's 3 a.m. I think you feel this thing. You feel this thing, babe. Something in my mind tell me that you are the perfect one. I can get you out. I will never leave aside my love.
Never talk this honestly. Not going to buy it.
I said, you had to wait for now. I said I'm going to call you every 6 months. I don't even know if they don't pass. Hello guys, Jesus, something just happened. So I was sewing and my machine got spoiled. Not for me to call the repairer, and I'm spending 12,000 naira this morning. As in, you guys always check up on your machine when you're sewing. Like, probably do it interval, 6 months interval. You probably be repairing after every 6 months. Because this thing just took me unaware. I was sewing at night, trying to create content for you guys, and suddenly it started cutting thread. And I watched videos on YouTube, and they directed me on how to find out what is wrong with the machine and why it is cutting the thread. And after finding out, I realized that where we insert the bobbin, I don't know, one thing inside was sharp, like it was, that was what was causing it. And I started to call the repair person, and now, just to buy that part that was spoiled, 7.5, and then in fact, they just come everything 12,000 this early morning. As I'm talking to you, I just woke up, this is 11, and I'm spending 12,000. I feel like crying. But I need to do this because of you guys. I need to repair the machine so I can be creating my content for you guys. I can't, because you know the series is coming up. Because the videos, I still have like 2 more left, and I can't pause this work. No, I can't. So you guys, I just wanted to update you what is happening.
Try, but one more shot at forgiveness. I know you know that I made those mistakes maybe once or twice. By once or twice, I mean maybe a couple of times.
So I am back on track. You just finished repairing it, and what I have to do now is clean up. So I'm just going to shower and get ready and start shooting my content. I am so happy. He just finished repairing the machine, and then he told me what to do. And he just told me that I have not been really taking care of the sewing machine. So I think from now on, I'm going to be really cautious with my sewing machine. And I just told him I wanted something to make it slower because this machine is very fast. I just bought it new. It's like 8 months old, but then it's still new. And it's very fast when I sew. So I just told him now, and he just told me what to do, that I need to replace something like a vent and do something. But anyways, I'm doing that in January. And you guys will be updated, of course. It's a vlog. And you guys, everything I do, you guys will be updated.
Shot at forgiveness. I know you know that I made those mistakes maybe once.